Here we have a triangle which is not a right angle triangle. If we need to find the area of such a triangle, then we do it using this formula which we are going to derive now. First, I will explain what this formula is and how to remember it. Here we have this vertex A and I have named the side opposite to it as small a. And similarly, I have named sides B and C opposite to vertices B and C respectively. So the area of this triangle will be 1 by 2 into AB sine C, meaning this side A, side B, and the sine of the angle between them, which is angle C. Or we can also use 1 by 2 AC sine B or 1 by 2 BC sine A. So let's prove it. First I need to do is draw a perpendicular from C to opposite side. Let's call this point of intersection D. This means I now have two right angle triangles. So draw CD perpendicular to AB and let's call the length of CD as H. Now in this triangle, AB becomes the base and CD becomes the height. Now the area of triangle ABC is half into base into height. So this will be equal to half into base, which is AB, and height, which is CD. And this will be equal to half into C, which is the length of AB, into H, which is the length of CD. Now let's go to the next part, which is finding out the value of H in terms of B and A. So let's do that. Let us consider this right angle triangle. So in this right angle triangle ADC, sine A, which is perpendicular over hypotenuse, which becomes H over B. From here, H becomes B sine A. Now we will put this value of H here. So area of triangle ABC becomes half into C, and now in place of H I can write B sine A, and we can write this as half BC sine A, which is BC and the angle between them, which is A. And this is what we had to prove, that area of triangle is half BC sine A. Similarly, we can prove both of these two. I will prove one more of these. The third you can try yourself. Let's leave what have done till here as it is, and now let's consider this other right angle triangle. So in right angle triangle BDC, now if I find the value of sine B, that will also be perpendicular over hypotenuse, and perpendicular is H and hypotenuse is A. So from here H becomes A sine B. And again we will put this value of H back here. Now area of triangle ABC becomes half into C, and instead of H we will write A sine B. So we can finally write it as half AC sine B, which is what we had to prove. Now similarly we can prove area of triangle to be equal to this as well, and for that we would draw a perpendicular from vertex A or vertex B. So try doing this part yourself. That's how we derive this formula, and I have already shown you how to remember it. So guys, that's it from this tutorial. If you really liked this tutorial, please share it with your friends and your classmates. Thanks for watching Math Mafia.